Hi, I'm Chad Busenich, Engineering Manager at SumoSprings International. Today we're going to be installing our Coil SumoSprings on this 2017 Nissan Armada. The Coil Sumos are a great addition to any vehicle. As well as helping with carrying heavy loads and towing, they also greatly improve ride quality and handling. Start by going to our website, print out our coil gap tool, and then cut out the picture. This will help you check the coil to see what size you need, and then you can order that part number directly from our website. So with the vehicle still on the ground under its normal load, you slide the gap measurement tool right between two turns of the coil. And you want to do that in the middle area of the coil, not toward the top or bottom, because this is where you want to install it. Once you find the point where it slides in and fits well, look at the sheet and it'll tell you the part number you need. In this case, it will be CSS 1195. That's the part number we're going to use. Next, spray the coil down with some soapy water. This will help lubricate it so it can go on a little easier. The Coil SumoSpring is designed with a shallower groove on one side and a deeper groove on the other. We want the deeper groove facing downward. Wrap it around the coil on the outside, and then at one end start inserting the lower groove onto the coil and then pop the upper groove in place. Now you can start rotating it around the coil and popping it into place as you go until it's fully inserted. Then you can adjust by turning the Coil SumoSpring to get it to the position you want, which is right in the middle of the coil. Repeat the install on the other side, and that will conclude the install of our Coil SumoSprings on this 2017 Nissan Armada.